All right, so for the hundredth place, how many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9.
All right. So what do we notice about this that's the same as the standard algorithm form?
It's the same number.
It's the same number. We get the same answer a different way, right? So Joe, I want you to go through and recount your dots because that means that, or your discs, because something's not right with it. It should look exactly like that one. So what happened in the ones value of your place value chart? What happened in the ones value of your place chart? What happened right here? What did we do? Okay, so we regrouped how many of them? So we regrouped 10 ones to the tens place. Right? Alrighty. You have a question, Kevin? Okay. Alright, how does that change your tens column? So what does that do to your tens column? When you take 10 from here and you put it here. Mara?
Can I add one more to what you already have?
Just one, or
It adds 1 tenth.
adds one set of 10. Good job. And does it change the hundreds column as well? Are you sure? It gave us an extra one. And so then we counted our dots and we had some that went over there.
Oh, yes.
So did it change our hundreds column?
Yes. The dot that we added didn't because that didn't get into a group, but the others that we had there.
Right. So it ended up being that way, but we don't know if it was just our ones, right? Good job. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a graphic organizer. And I want you guys, when you have it, to look up here because I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay?
Oh, I know how to use one of those.
Oh, something there.
I forgot what those were. There's a division one.
Oh, I'm never used.
Oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah, there's those. I think for the division one.
Alright, guys. So, we're going to use our graphic organizer to solve 5 times 237. Notice that my 5 times 237 is written differently than 237 times 5, right? It's written differently, isn't it? But why? Will we still get the same answer? Alright. So now we're going to use the partial products method like we did earlier. So, when you have your, I know it's kind of hard to see, but, so put your 237 in the hundreds place, 237 in the hundreds, tens, and ones. And then we put our 5 in the ones place, right? Now I want you guys to try and do partial product with your partner. Turn and work with your partner, and I'm going to come around, and if you need help, ask me a question, okay? And your graphic organizer is labeled ones, tens, and hundreds so you don't get confused. And then your answer goes down at the very bottom down here, okay?
Okay.
All right, turn and talk.